Tired of this weak water flow? Let's fix it. The small booster pump can instantly increase your shower pressure. Here's the pump. It runs on 24-volt DC, making it safe to use. Plus, it supports temperature up to 65 degrees Celsius. With this quick search, we can confirm that it is safe for hot water supply, right? So now let's connect it. Always check the arrow direction where you need to connect it. We will connect the shower head here and show how you can actually increase the flow of water in your shower. So let's fasten it properly, and now we will connect this pump to our shower pipeline. But we have a small issue. So we will use this connector here, and which has proper threading, and this should solve the problem, right? So let's fix it. First we will attach this, and finally we can easily connect it now to the shower pipe. So let's do just that. Let's speed things up, and now it is connected and our setup is ready. Finally, it's time to power it up. So let's connect the DC power supply here, and as soon as we turn the switch on, we see instant boost, right? It is visible. And these are some indicator lights that shows that it is operating in automatic mode, the power light, and there's a button with which we can actually toggle between different modes. So use it accordingly. And finally, you can always turn it off if the pump is not in use. Like, share, subscribe for more such content.